Hi, Rebecca from Summit Evergreen here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain for your customers to log in and view their course materials. There's actually two steps to doing this. The first step is inside of Summit Evergreen, and the second step is inside where you have your domain hosted. Let's start with the first step inside of Summit Evergreen. The first thing you're going to do is pull up the correct product inside of the Manage Products menu. You can access that by coming to the upper left-hand drop-down and selecting Manage Products. You'll select the product where you want to change the domain, and from here you'll go to the Settings menu. From Settings, you'll scroll down, and here's your product domain. So you'll hit Edit Domain Name. And I'm going to set mine up as a subdomain, so I'm going to set it up as members.mypersonalizedlaunch.com. So what this allows me to do is to have my customers that purchase my course log in at members.mypersonalizedlaunch.com, and then I can host my sales page at just mypersonalizedlaunch.com. Just make sure you hit save. And that's it inside of Summit Evergreen. So let's move on to step number 2. Next, you'll want to head to where your domain is hosted. In this case, it's hosted at GoDaddy, but there's several different places you could have your domain hosted. Once you go there, you're just going to want to add a CNAME record. So you usually go to where it says your DNS zone files are, and then you're just going to add a record. In this case, it's going to be a CNAME, and the host is going to be, this is going to be your members or your portal, whatever you want to name your subdomain. So if it's portal.myproduct.com, members.myproduct.com, that's the URL that your customers are going to log into. And then it's going to point to evergreen-learning.com. And then you just hit finish. I'll go ahead and save my changes. Most of the time it takes a couple of hours for these changes to actually work, but you can go ahead and check it. So you can just go back over to your product and click on the URL. And here we go. So we've got our subdomain set up, and this is where the users are going to actually log in at. I hope this answered your questions on how to set up a custom domain. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us at support@summitevergreen.com.